I ordered Katelyn's birthday present from Kickstarter a year and a half ago. And
almost 2 years.
Almost 2 years now. We've been here for almost 2 years. So yeah, a year and a half ago. So it just came in the mail just now. Here you go. Happy birthday a year and a half ago.
I have no idea what this is other than he told our friend Nancy about it. So maybe it's something like artsy, or maybe it's something like nerdy, because that's like some things that we have in common.
I also told Matt and Brian.
It's very heavy. It's super heavy. You told Matt and Brian. Maybe it's nerdy. Kickstarter. Quick, everyone comment what you think it is in the comments below.
No peeking ahead.
Very difficult to cut. I'm sick, so I have like the strength of a child right now. It's very difficult to do things. Okay. Should I just open it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. What? Really? It's a book about Japanese monsters. This is so cool. It's very nice. Okay, it says, thank you. The book of, I'm going to pronounce this very badly, Hakutaku is my third book as well as my third Kickstarter. With each successive campaign, the challenges have grown from finding better printers, better distribution methods, coming up with the new rewards, navigating custom and important regulations, and so on. Throughout it all, I feel so lucky to have backers who are just as passionate about yokai as I am, and patient and understanding when it comes to unforeseen challenges and delays. You guys are the best backers ever, and I just wanted to say thank you for this. Thank you for supporting me, whether this is your first time or if you have been with me from the very beginning. As a small independent publisher, it would not have been possible without your support. You guys are the reason these books exist. With my thanks and best wishes. It's in cursive. Moth. Is there a name on here?
It says on the box.
Oh. Matthew Meyer. Wow. I swear I can read. Okay, I swear. These are great. Okay, so there are 3. And they're very heavy. So this one is called The Night Parade of 100 Demons. It's cool. This one is The Hour of Meeting Evil Spirits. And then this one is The Book of the
Hakutaku.
Sweet.
So which one's which? They all say on like the subtitles which one's like.
Oh, okay. So this one, The Night Parade of 100 Demons is a field guide to Japanese yokai. And then The Hour of Meeting Evil Spirits is the encyclopedia of Mononoke and magic. I think I'm saying that correctly. And the Book of Hakutaku. Did I say it right this time?
Yeah.
Yes. A bestiary of Japanese monsters. So this is like the monster book, but Japanese specific.
Yeah.
Alright, it's really cool inside.
Does it have your name in them? Maybe in the Book of Hakutaku.
What? Where? Really?
Maybe. I don't know.
Where?
Probably in the front or the back.
Oh, cool. Yeah, he signed it. To Katelyn.
I see all.
That's awesome. That's so cool. It's written and illustrated by Matthew Meyer. So that's cool. And there's a lot of really cool monsters in here. And it's in English, so I can learn about them for real. when I did an Inktober about yokai, it was most of the stuff I was researching was in very like shortened stories in English, or it was like bad translation of Japanese.
So I had ordered it before that.
Ah, you ordered it before?
Yeah.
That's great. So you know I liked it even before then. These are so cool. Thanks, babe. And it's from a small artist.
Well, we don't know how big he is.
Oh, it's from a self-publishing artist.
There you go.
I did this one. And this girl.
We'll have to do a flip through or something.
Yeah. Cool. Thank you so much, babe. It's worth the wait.
Good. I'm glad.
Cool. Look at the sun.
I don't know if they'll actually see.
Oh, is
It's
it
dark.
really, really backlit?
Yeah.
These are awesome. Cool. Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
Happy very late birthday.
Happy late birthday and Christmas and anniversary and everything.
Yeah, all of those things.